After a complete overhaul of the KTM 200 Duke earlier this year, KTM has brought the same styling updates to its baby Duke, the 125. Now the bike has been launched at rupees 1.50 lakh ex-showroom Delhi, so that's roughly 7,500 rupees more than the outgoing model. Bookings for the bike have already begun and the deliveries for this will commence soon. So the styling has been revised. It gets the same 1290 Super Duke R inspired sharp tank extensions, as well as this LED DRL and halogen headlight. No LED headlight here like the 390 or the 250 Duke to save costs. Another update is this exposed 13.5 liter fuel tank. That's an increase of 3.5 liters from the older model. And then you get this split trellis frame, which is finished in this lovely orange color. That's the exposed bolted on subframe, which comes in black. Now the advantage of this, much like on the 200 Duke, is that it gives extra room for the rider. So heavier riders, larger riders will find it roomier. But seat height has gone up. It's now 823 mm, 5 mm higher than before. Pillion riders will also find this a bit more comfortable thanks to a larger seat area. So those are the changes of the bike. Now this engine continues to be the same 124.7cc single cylinder liquid cooled engine that puts out roughly 14.5 PS and 12 Newton meters of torque. Now we have not actually tested the BS6 version of this engine, but in the BS4 test the fuel efficiency was around 47-48 kmpl both in city and on the highway. So expect the same amount of fuel efficiency figures. With that in mind, the extra 3 liters now on offer, 3.5 liters now on offer, should give you an additional range of roughly 170 km, and that's brilliant. Unlike the international spec 125, this continues to run with an underbelly exhaust, not a side slung unit. Mechanically, although the setup of the motorcycle remains the same, you get the same WP upside down fork and a preload adjustable monoshock, but KTM says that the tuning of these suspension units has been changed to soak in the extra heft. It has become heavier by 7 kilos, now tipping the scales at 159 kgs. Rest of the motorcycle remains pretty much the same. You get the same swing arm as before, Vibre braking units, MRF tires at the back, and even at the front, this radial braking unit. The 125 Duke now comes in 2 colors. That's the white one, and this is the orange. No changes to the instrumentation. Sadly, we cannot start this bike here to give you the exhaust note or show you how it is, but basically there's no change over here. Same goes for the switches. And well, that's it for the KTM 125 Duke from us. If you have any queries regarding this bike or any other KTM, do let us know in the comments below. Smash that like button, stay subscribed and notified of our exciting videos coming your way, which includes the road test review of, no, not this bike, this one.